Okay, so one of the questions is, how do I speak in a way that I can engage with others, particularly when I'm coming from a technical background? And I can hear it when somebody's coming from a technical background because they're speaking quite robotically. They're thinking about every single word, and there's a staccato like this, and it seems like everything sounds a little bit like Siri. So we have this voice that's coming just from the mind, and the mind is helping the voice speak in a way it thinks. So this is when your life is predominantly about technical matters all the time, and you spend the most of your day doing technical work and having to explain in technical ways to others, you can become not relational enough. Now, what do I mean? A relational voice is not so staccato. It has much more flow in it. And it generally has more breath and it flows and words are attached to each other, more of a legato or more of a melody. There's also more movement in the voice. It goes up the stairs and down the stairs. So how are you today? I'm very well. I've just gone up the stairs and I've gone down the stairs. Now, we don't want the vertical movement really in our throat and our voice because it makes the larynx go up and down. We don't want to do that because we actually do speak horizontally. But to feel it, you may want to practice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Learning to modulate your voice and attaching the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's where singing and music can be quite helpful. The legato, the one note attaching to the other. Now, when you don't do that, it becomes a staccato voice like this, and it's all thinking, there's no heart. Now, what do I mean by heart? Is literally putting your hand on your heart and feeling the words you speak, noticing the other person's body language. Look at their face gestures. Are they following you? Are you going too fast? Are they relating to you? Can they feel your words? Or are they just hearing it robotically like this? Can they connect with you because are you allowing them to connect with you? Are you being more vulnerable and visible with your gestures, your expression on your face, stretching some words out? If I say it's a beautiful day today, you can tell that it's a beautiful day today. But if I say it's a beautiful day today, I'm like, does he really believe it? Okay, so we know that words and language create emotion and connection and engagement with others because they get meaning from our words. Now, how do you practice that if you're coming from a mostly technical background and you're always dealing with data and the information is truly just information? Well, connect meaning to it, right? Connect purpose to it, intention with it. Go to the source of that. What does this information actually provide? How does it actually work in the bigger picture? What significance my bit here makes to the whole picture? How is important? Give it meaning, give it purpose, because all of us, when we have deep meaning and purpose, we will connect to our heart because we feel more attached and passionate about what we're saying. So then the information starts to go to the heart. So the heart always informs the brain, but unfortunately we've gone brain informs the heart, and it's sort of not enough because information isn't always about feeling. So what we want to do is touch our feelings, touch our heart, feel the purpose. Practice activities that activate your heart, like music or art, listening to it, practicing it yourself. Movement, body movement like Tai Chi or Qigong, meditation, mindfulness. Connect with those other aspects of life that give purpose and meaning to your information. And I don't care if you're going to give me a piece of data. You could be just telling me tomorrow the weather is going to be 21 degrees and it's going to be cloudy. You could just say it like that, or you're going to go, you know what, tomorrow is 21 degrees and it's going to be cloudy day. And what am I thinking? I'm thinking this is a good thing because all week the sun was out and it was sunburning you. All week you've wanted that cloudy day just so you can walk and not have that sun beating on your skin. I've got a movie going on in my head when I'm delivering that information. So when I say tomorrow's it's a cloudy day and it's 21 degrees, right? In a positive sense. Now let me do it in a negative sense, meaning another cloudy day, right? Tomorrow, it's 21 degrees. Yes, it's another cloudy day. Now I'm thinking, shit, another cloudy day in Melbourne, right? And I want the other person to know that I'm with them. I understand this isn't what we want. I'm with them. I feel connected to what I'm saying, but my voice tone changed and the meaning changed, and I was included in that. I was part of the information. I was feeling what the other person may feel, right? So I was connected. I wasn't just delivering the information, but I'm wanting them to feel that I'm connected to the information. So there's some things you can do. You can expand your technical voice by being more creative, by literally doing activities, or you can also bring more meaning, and you can also bring more meaning to what you do by connecting to the information, the purpose and the intention of it.